Kipaipai is a professional development workshop for artists and creatives.
Kipaipai really is around this idea of encouraging and inspiring and using the natural environment to sort of facilitate those conversations.
It was developed to give a holistic approach to a creative's practice or an artist's practice above and beyond what they're already making in their studio.
Kipaipai offers wonderful opportunities to have one-on-one conversations and build relationships with some of the premier art professionals and hopefully be inspired to take their artistic practice to the next level.
So the artists that participate in Kipaipai have been from emerging to mid-career artists, and once a body of work has been developed, whether it's painting, sculpture, photography, installation, and they have a body of work to work with, then we are the next space for them to go to learn how to use social media, how to navigate relationships with galleries, with museums, with print publications, and also how to just promote yourself, learning how to find your challenges and strategizing on how to get past those hurdles. Each workshop starts with an application process through call for entry or cafe, and we choose 16 artists to participate. We meet on Fridays and introduce each other, have a mixer on Saturday and Sunday. We have multiple meetings, usually between 12 and 16 meetings that are 25 minutes to 30 minutes a session, and that is a one-on-one session with your professionals, the faculty.
Kipaipai employs a faculty from a breadth of different experiences. That can be private galleries, museums, creative strategists and other consultants. There's also art writers, there's even life coaches and art therapists available.
Faculty is very generous with their time. They are happy to answer any question. Each session is specific to the artist that they're working with, so the artist is able to ask questions that is relevant to their own career. Some ask a gallery how to develop a relationship with a gallery. Others that already have a gallery will ask how to get a show in a museum, or how to move forward with relationships with nonprofit organizations. Also, I think just the studio practice itself, artists get so caught up in the making of the work that they don't keep up on the technology of how to tell their story, and this workshop helps you do that.
I come to these events thinking that I get the opportunity to meet with all of these interesting people and have conversations about my career. Where do I want to go? I mean, it forces you to say, where do I want to go? What do I really want right now? Where do I want to be? And how can this person's expertise help me? So Kipaipai is not a portfolio review. This is an opportunity to come in, lay out where you're at in your career, and ask a bunch of different people who are super experienced and way further down the road in their own lives than we are, and get their feedback and get to know them and start building relationships with them. And relationships are what make the art world go. It's relationships and stories. Those are the two things that mean everything.
Kipaipai started as a local opportunity for artists in Hawaii that were kind of geographically isolated. With the success of that program, in conjunction with the Donkey Mill Art Center, we had more artists asking us from Los Angeles, San Francisco, New York, how they could get involved in a Kipaipai workshop. So now the organization has kind of gone national. We have expanded to California, both in the San Francisco area and Los Angeles areas, Ojai and Joshua Tree. We'll be working in Georgia, and we've also been teaching in New York. One of the beautiful things about Kipaipai is the community that it's created. And even for me as co-founder and one of the faculty members, every workshop is different. And I've found that I've grown immensely in my own practice as a curator and as a museum professional in understanding what the artists' challenges are and how to help create engagement for them that helps them grow and also becomes a great engagement for our community.